Okay, I'm excited to say that I have finally received my Suunto Vertical 2 Anniversary Edition, even though it's like barely packaged. Cool. Anyway, quick story about that. I ordered about 2.5 weeks ago from Suunto. It was in stock, and I didn't receive any email confirmation of my order. I decided not to worry about it. About 10 business days passed. I checked my credit card statement, noticed I had just been billed, or at least within 48 hours. Sent them an email asking, what's going on with my order? Haven't received any order confirmation or anything regarding it. But within 24 hours, I had shipping confirmation, and then I got an email back from them saying they apologized for the delay, but apparently I wasn't the only one. I noticed on Reddit that other people had had the same experience. So just a heads up, if you have ordered one also, I guess just reach out if you haven't got any confirmation, but hopefully you'll have it soon. So excited to get into it and take a look here. Okay, here we go. We're gonna take the Suunto Vertical 2 Anniversary Edition out of this really shabby packaging. Years of adventure, 90 years of everyday adventure. Easy for me to say. Okay, it's all sealed at least. Okay. So the first thing in the box is sort of a fidget toy, I guess. It's a magnet, sort of stylized like a compass, but kind of comes across as a fidget toy, has some different scenes on it. Find your true north, or the sea, the mountains, or whatever. Next up is the MC2 Global Mirror Compass. It's the G Mirror Compass on their website. Retails for about $95 and gets really good reviews. So it seems to be a pretty legitimate tool that they've included with the watch. It I know it has luminescent markings, so you can use it at night or in low light. It also has adjustable declination as well, so pretty nice addition. Okay, now let's get to the thing that everybody is most interested in, and that's the actual watch, Vertical 2. I am definitely excited about this. I owned the original Vector some point back in the day, whenever that was, and it was that traditional yellow color. I'm kind of glad that they didn't make the Vertical 2 that same yellow color, and I really like how this orange color looks, at least online. Haven't really seen it in person, so we'll see what it looks like here. All right. Oh, this is sort of interesting here. So there's kind of the history of all of their devices. We'll take a quick look at this. This talks about the original Suunto compass, 1936, obviously, since it's the 1936 edition, anniversary edition of the Vertical 2. Scanning on ahead, 1998, Suunto Vector, there it is, the yellow, classic yellow, first outdoor wrist-top computer, 1998. And moving ahead to, let's see, some of the other significant milestones here. 2009, Suunto Moves Count. I don't think people really enjoyed that, if I recall correctly. Let's see, moving ahead, Suunto Ambit. I think that was a pretty popular and good device. I believe I had one of those, 2012. Peak Pro, and that's 2022, Suunto 9, 2018. Moving ahead, Suunto Race. They sort of started really coming back in 2023 and was really well reviewed and a good device. Also Suunto Vertical. And then the Vertical 2 in 2026. Getting started guide. Thanks for choosing the Vertical 2. The usual stuff. Put the band on. Some stickers. Alright, it's cool that it comes with 2 separate bands. I'm a fan of the nylon style band. That's what I have on my Phoenix 8 Pro. Very comfortable. There's also a silicone band, which I didn't love on the Race 2, or the Race for that matter. Alright, it's the main event here.